Quick tutorial for Nothing Ever Happens by Amitri on the uke. So the chords you'll need for this one are F, D minor, B flat and C. It starts off with the F. Post office clerks put up signs saying position closed. And you go to the D minor by putting your third finger on. Just for a bit of colour, you might want to bounce your first finger on and off. So, post office clerks put up signs saying position closed. Secretaries turn off typewriters and put on their coats. Then it goes to the B flat. Janitors padlock the gates. Back to the F. C for security guards to patrol, to the D minor. And then back to the B flat. Bachelors phone up their friends for a drink. Back to the F. C. D minor. So that's the whole structure of the verses, which would be post office clerks put up signs saying position closed. And secretaries turn off typewriters and put on their coats. And janitors padlock the gates for security guards to patrol. And the bachelors phone up their friends for a drink while the married ones turn on a chat show. And we'll all be lonely tonight, lonely tomorrow. So that's obviously F, B flat, F. And that's all the verses. And the chorus, which is Nothing Ever Happens, starts on the F, goes to the B flat, back to the F, to the B flat, to the C, to the B. It all basically bounces. Whatever chord you play, go back to the B flat. So, nothing ever happens. Nothing happens at all. The needle returns to the start of the song. We all sing along like before. And we'll all be lonely tonight, lonely tomorrow. Enjoy.